Our team coverage continues now with Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane.
She joins us live in Springfield with more from a local expert on when we might expect a verdict. Lindsay?
Kristen Jordan, a local former judge, tells me it could take anywhere from 4 days to a week and a half until we see a verdict.
This is probably one of the most nationally watched trial that's occurred in our country in many years.
The jury is now in deliberations after a 3-week trial of ex-Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin in the death of George Floyd.
After sitting on the bench for 20 years, I will tell you right now, you never know what a jury's going to do.
Mary Hurley, a local retired district court judge, tells Western Mass News while deliberations have already begun, it still may be a while until there is a verdict.
I would expect that this jury will be out for no less than 4 or 5 days and perhaps a week and a half.
She says through her experience as an attorney and judge, she finds it significant prosecutors are charging Chauvin with manslaughter in addition to the murder charges.
Because of the fact that there's a manslaughter charge as well, it leads me to believe that the prosecution probably doesn't believe that they're going to be able to get a murder conviction.
Hurley says she thinks both prosecutors and defense presented their arguments well, leaving an enormous amount of testimony now in the hands of 12 jury members.
Whatever the jurors decide, I think it will be something that not everybody's happy with.
That's why some states are already requesting National Guard members ahead of the verdict. Hurley says while she prays this never happens again, she also prays for peace in the streets regardless of the outcome.
Think about what's going on with COVID. Think about what's going on with this trial. Think about all the important issues that we have to deal with and that we can work together to resolve our differences and to make this a better place in which to live and work.
Minnesota, Illinois, and Washington, D.C. all today have requested National Guard members ahead of the verdict. Be sure to stick with Western Mass News, both on air and online, for when that verdict comes in. Live in Springfield for Western Mass News 11 at 11, I'm Lindsay Kane.